After 38 years at Foster Plus Partners, the esteemed architect Grant Brooker is stepping down from his role as head of studio. This leadership change marks the end of an era for the renowned architectural firm, as Brooker leaves behind a legacy of iconic projects like Hong Kong International Airport and Tocumen International Airport in Panama City. But who will fill his shoes? Stepping into this position is Patrick Campbell, a senior partner with 18 years of experience at Foster Plus Partners. Campbell brings a wealth of design expertise, project leadership, and a collaborative approach to team building. He's led projects ranging from the transformation of London's Grade 2 listed building, the Whiteley, to the luxurious Monaco Yacht Club and the South Quay Plaza residential development in Canary Wharf. Joining Campbell in this new chapter is Antoinette Nassopoulos-Eriksson, appointed as Deputy Head of Studio. With over 25 years of experience at Foster Plus Partners, she's worked on global projects like 30 St Mary Axe in London and the McLaren Technology Centre in Surrey. This leadership transition comes at a time when Foster Plus Partners is expanding its global footprint and exploring innovative design solutions. Does this leadership change signal a shift in Foster Partners' design philosophy? Will Campbell's collaborative approach lead to even greater collaborative projects? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.